Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have my new elf out, and I don't know how to say it, so I'll have the name in the title. I saw these elves on Joni's Stop Motion, and I absolutely fell in love with hers. So I went to eBay and I got Grandma Larna is her name. Joni sent me this adorable jumper and this shirt. And I was in the hotel room, I had her with me, and I was making Barbie outfits out of gingham as well as my Blythe dolls. So I made her a little skirt, but that's not what she's wearing today. Each month, J Dolls UK, Dory's Dollies, Playful Reborn, and Tina's Reborns and More and I do an elf challenge where we have a collab to invite you to join in our challenge. And the challenge this month, because it falls on a Monday, that is the 21st of the month falls on a Monday, we're going to do the Cheeky Monkey Monday. And I'm going to put in my description, I cannot think, it's Cherub's Reborn, and I can't think of the exact name. So I'm gonna put that in my description to credit back to her who started Cheeky Monkey Monday. And if you don't know about it, you should. And every Monday, if you go to, Tina or Jay or Penny's channel, you can start there and see the Cheeky Monkey Monday videos. They are so funny. I love it. Please go by and see Tina's, Jay's, Penny's, and Dory's videos today inviting you to Cheeky Monkey Monday. I'm sure they're going to have some really cute, clever setups with their monkeys too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.